On this chart, we are looking at a combination of two indicators creating a setup. The indicators are the volume flow and the breakout boxes. The breakout boxes is the one that trades, it draw a rectangle looking at the maximum and the minimum of the price in a time window that we define. We can see the parameters here. This is the breakout boxes. We only set the start time, end time. Usually we set the start of the session and half hour. You can also try 1 hour. But the idea is it draw a top line and a bottom line. And then possible target 1 and target 2. And also there should be here a stop, okay, or target depending if you are going short or long. In this case, because there was a breakout to the upside, the trade is a long with a target. But this is the breakout boxes that, as you can see, it has only one trade per day. Then we also have the volume flow, where it shows it has several parameters. This one, where we calculate a peak in the volume, but it can be positive or negative. So we can take shorts, shorts like this one, or longs like this one. This short is not bad. It is because there was a big volume to the downside, but maybe this is not a good decision because it is against this level. So the idea is we can filter those signals. One is we have support and resistance. So outside of the session, all the signals are ignored. And when we have the box, then we take only longs over this level, only shorts below this level. In other words, using markers, we can take only this long because it is over the blue line and the short is ignored. And with the filter, I guess we are not using the filter on this version. But we can enable or disable the filter. If you want to trade all the volume breakouts, all the breaks in the average volume, you can disable the filter. In this mode, it is going long, going short, everywhere, including here. But if you enable the filter, it waits to have a line, a top and a bottom, and trade only longs if the close is over the blue line, or shorts if it is below. That means it can repeat. This is not the case because we have only one long and one short, but maybe there are another cases here, for example, where in this area there's everything should be avoided, and we have two shorts when the market is below this level. And there's another more here because the close is below the blue line. Let's see more examples. This arrow is from another setup, not from here, but we can see there is a short, and also the price is below, so we have an alignment here. This short is executed. This other short, if we are still trading, should also be executed. Again, this is a semi-automatic approach where you can enable or disable the trades and use or not the filter. It is just a way to combine two systems into one. If you want more info about the used indicators, you can look at the description of this video.